Hi, it's Glenda, and today I'm doing a fragrance testing. Well, not testing, but more like sampling and smelling them. It's an order that I placed from another soap maker. She sent me this nice bookmark, and her name is Candice from Soaps Sound 51 Tin Soap. So it's for the gospel. She did a really good job packing them, and these fragrances are supposed to be I think 3 to 5 months old. She was just posting them on a destash group, and one of the reasons why I wanted to buy them is because of this one's orange spice. And then there's some other fragrances that I usually would not have chosen, so it's an opportunity for me to try something out of my comfort zone and just see what she has. These ones are from Bee Scented. I've never ordered anything from Bee Scented, so this will be a good test. This one is called Sweater Weather by BBW Type. This one smells really nice. It doesn't actually smell like fall. I think I could use this any time of the year, but I cannot describe it. I'm going to put the scent notes in the description box. It smells clean, fresh, without being citrusy. Overall, it's a very nice smell, very hard to describe. Orange spice. Now this one should be more, yeah, it smells like orange and spice. So, and it only has 0.06% of vanillin. It smells really nice, so this one will be good in the fall. However, I like orange everything, so I'll probably use it sooner. The only one that she told me that was a little bit older was this from Bramble Berry. It's Neroli and Shea. Let me see. It's a floral, however, it's not very like a strong floral, which I don't like. I can smell the floral in something else, but it's pleasant, and I usually don't like florals, but this one is not bad. Okay, then I have two from Nature's Fragrance, which I've never bought anything from them before. This one is called Forest Hike. It smells just like a forest hike. A lot of pine notes and woodsy notes. And it has 0% vanillin. So that might be good for like a men's soap. Mystical Gathering. This one has 2.58 vanillin. I can smell some notes of sandalwood right now, and something sweeter, maybe frankincense. It's nice. It's different, and I think this could go either way, like it could be unisex. Okay, there are also some fragrances from Nurture Soap. Okay, one of them is Harlequin Romance. Now, this is something that I remember seeing on their website, and I just looked at it and I decided against it. So now let's see. It's supposed to be compared to Lush brand 1,000 Kisses. It's a very girly scent. It's interesting. It's a very perfumey, like. It's not bad. Not something I will say, if it was a perfume I wouldn't wear that myself, but I think in soap it's gonna do nice. Frosted Marzipan. It smells, another fragrance that I saw on their website when they had their clearance sale. So let's see. Huh, it does have that note of almond, but also some nuts. Like, it smells like food and a little bit like Play-Doh. Like the smell of Play-Doh. It's in here. It may smell different once I use it in a soap, so we'll see. Then there are some fragrances from Crafter's Choice. This is Sun and Sand. This one smells nice. It's not as beachy or beach-like as you would think. It does have some, I guess, what you would associate with the ocean notes, but it's clean, it's fresh. It probably leans, it's more like, it smells like soap. Like clean soap. So I think this one would be, it could go, I think it's probably an unisex scent. And I have Lemongrass Mint, which is the one that I had my eye on when I saw it listed. Let's see. It almost smells like spearmint. Right now it's just the spearmint notes that I'm getting. There's probably lemongrass in there somewhere, but I'm not detecting them right now. And the last one is Gingerbread Man. Has a lot of vanilla notes, and that's what I'm getting right now. So hopefully I can get the other notes later when I use it. But anyway, that's it. That's my bounty. Thank you for watching. Bye.